April is upon us, and there's one coin that's going to absolutely crush it more than any coin we've seen in the history of the world. You can expect a 589,000x from this coin during the first full month of spring. You can watch your portfolio blossom into a bouquet of money. I'm of course talking about XRP. Let's get it. Just kidding. That's the best I got for an April Fool's Day joke. But in all seriousness, today we will be taking a look at my top 5 coins for April. For real this time, let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a full Bitcoin. Details down below. Additionally, this month, we'll be focusing heavily on trading as we try to turn $100,000 into $1 million with Bybit. I think we're going to make some big progress in April, so make sure to sign up for your Bybit trading account and the Bybit trading competition by heading over to bitboycrypto.com/Bybit. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my picks from March that included a triple-digit gainer, and then we're going to be taking a look at my top picks for April that are going to help you smash that portfolio. In March, we used one of the Token Metrics indexes in order to make our picks. We'll be using Token Metrics again, but this month we're going to use a different strategy. So let's see how our picks did from last month based off their index. 4 coins we picked were Alpha Finance, Nord Finance, Luna, and Bitcoin. Alpha Finance saw some modest 10% gains. Not too bad, but not the greatest. Next, we had Nord Finance, which did not perform great at all. After an initial pump, it actually pulled our portfolio down big time, seeing a 30% drop. This one hurt because initially it had a huge gain, but you got to learn to sell the top sometimes. But check out Luna. It had almost a 200% gain this month and also gained 140% against the Bitcoin price. This is one of our best picks in a while and definitely caused our monthly portfolio to crush it despite one of our coins losing. Lastly, we had Bitcoin. Performed well with a 20% gain for the month. Overall, our portfolio saw over a 200% gain, pretty much from Luna alone. So can we see April outperform March? I believe that with the Coinbase IPO, we'll see a massive run up to 80K or more for Bitcoin. So to find out what altcoins I believe will crush it the most, we're going to be turning back to Token Metrics for research. Token Metrics is our coin research site of choice, and you get a week trial for only $5 there. Can't really beat that. So let's check out the top 5 coins my research revealed for the month of April. Coming in at number 5, I have Theta. Now, Theta's been on a heck of a run. It launched all the way up to the top 10, but now has dropped back and subsided to number 12. However, it's still up almost 16,000% for the last year. It's hard to believe, honestly. But part of the reason Theta began its most recent climb was due to the expectation of their mainnet 3.0 launch. That has been delayed, though. It's not all bad news. You see, their delay is based upon their decision to focus on an NFT marketplace, one we will actually be launching our own NFTs on soon. And that obviously will lead Theta to the promised land. I kid, but really, we are impressed with their NFT marketplace and believe while many were upset by the delay of the 3.0 mainnet, the shift in focus to the hottest area of crypto will place Theta in a position to crush it once again. Next, number 4, we have Elrond. After an insane start to the year, Elrond has stayed sideways since the middle of February. Definitely looks like it's been in a big consolidation period as it prepares for its next move up. Elrond is preparing for a major staking upgrade. As the project pushes more toward decentralization, the demand for the network has been ever increasing. Dubbed the internet scale blockchain, Elrond will move much closer to the top 20 during April, in my opinion. The eGold token has been caught between major resistance and major support for months now, and April will finally see it crush the resistance. Third, I have Synthetix. One of my favorite DeFi projects is SNX, and yet it has struggled recently. Looking at its chart, it also, like eGold, has seemed to stall out since its mid-February highs. But according to last week, it seems that it could be heading back up and looking for higher highs in the near future. The idea behind Synthetix is huge. It's basically creating synthetic derivative versions of literally any asset out there so anyone can trade it without worrying about breaking regulatory laws in their country. We've also discussed the importance of Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, including optimistic rollups. While Synthetix has now announced it will be launching staking on optimistic Ethereum. The long and short of it is this: SNX is too good of a DeFi project to stay down for long. We'll have another run, and I expect this to start in April. Next, at number 2, we have Solana. This is the next generation smart contract platform taking the world by storm. We're starting to see some major development on this platform. But it isn't all tech in the current speculative age of crypto. A lot of the price movements are based on the technicals and, of course, the speculation. Many people believe a solid breakout well above $20 is in the cards for SOL. The chart indicates there is already a major breakout afoot. They also recently received a $40 million investment from OKX and MXC to incubate and develop Solana-based DeFi projects. Cardano, Polkadot, and Ethereum get all the buzz, but Solana is definitely an up-and-coming project that will turn heads. One other big boost Solana got in March was the launch of USD stablecoins on the Solana blockchain. This is a huge indicator of an increase in volume coming soon, and I think it's going to be in April. Last but not least, Ethereum. For 2 months, the price has been held down under the water while its competitors have mooned. What a February and March it was for Cardano. But it definitely seems like following the huge pump that saw Cardano almost reach $2, there could be a consolidation period. Even in bull runs, prices don't go up forever. They need breathing room, and I believe we'll see that for ADA. And now it's Ethereum's time to shine again. You can't keep a good project down forever. Now we're seeing the NFT world go crazy, and many of the biggest movers are built on, you guessed it, Ethereum. While many people have looked at the NFT craze as a top signal, there is literally nothing to indicate that in the historical charts from the markets. I believe a DeFi resurgence and NFT attention will cause Ethereum to boom this month. Hopefully this weekend as we prepare for the Ether pump. But what do you think? Will this be a heck of a month for ETH and the rest of my picks? Or do you believe we're on the cusp of a bear market? You'd be wrong, but go ahead and drop those comments down below. That's all I got. Be blessed. Happy April. BitBoy out.